Hello, this is John Reardon from Harvest Technology Group, and this is Back to School, Safer and Smarter. As the new school year approaches, K-12 school districts are working hard to provide a safe and productive learning environment for our children. It is likely your district is looking into measures to insulate children by increasing space and improving the online learning experience. Many districts we are working with have spent a lot of time and resources moving from blackboards and books to online curriculum, as well as making other changes. These efforts are designed to improve and support the school's primary mission of educating our children, and rightfully so. But what about the people who support the school district? What are we doing to keep them safe and productive? This includes the staff, parents, and job applicants. These are all individuals who either by necessity or responsibility must interact with the school district. When looking at plans to reopen schools, we can help maintain their safety as well. Content360 Powered by OnBase provides electronic document and information management capabilities for K-12 school districts. This solution empowers districts to support social distancing while allowing staff, parents, and applicants to interact with their district electronically. How? Content360 Powered by OnBase provides electronic access to critical documents, forms, and records securely from anywhere employees have access to web browser. This enables workers to complete their jobs from home, if necessary, and minimizes the interaction between campuses and the central office. Everything from new policies and procedures to state reports can be distributed and reviewed electronically, which dramatically cuts down on the face-to-face contact. While keeping everyone safe is the primary consideration, districts using Content360 Powered by OnBase can also see increased accuracy and productivity through routing documents and forms electronically instead of relying on paper-based processes. This is truly a win-win. Your district may have already purchased an online enrollment solution, which is great, but what about all of the other parent-to-district interactions that require forms and paper submissions and policy acceptance? Content360 Powered by OnBase can also manage these interactions from an online portal where parents can register, log in, and view records from the comfort of their home. And finally, job applicants can face a very uncomfortable onboarding process due to the excessive amount of face-to-face time dealing with paperwork and documents. Content360 Powered by OnBase allows all of these documents to be completed in advance and securely signed, so the onboarding process is as seamless and safe as possible. Of course, serving the students is of primary importance, but the staff, parents, and applicants are the people who support the district. Content360 Powered by OnBase can help your back-to-school process be safer and smarter. To learn more about how we can help, reach out to Harvest Technology Group at the link below, or click the link for a list of back-to-school resources to some of industry's best practices. We look forward to another productive year serving K-12 education.